Good morning! Today our goal is to investigate this clip of Spider-Man to determine his kinetic energy. So let's commence operations. Kinetic energy is given by the formula half times mass times speed squared. And symbolically we write that as EK equals half times mv squared. Mass is measured in the unit kilograms. Speed is measured in the unit of meters per second. Now, if we use those two units, we end up measuring kinetic energy in a unit called the joule. Every equation in physics tells a story, and this one tells a story as well. It tells us that as mass increases, the kinetic energy of a person or an object will increase. Similarly, it tells us as speed increases, kinetic energy also increases. And so our goal is to get the kinetic energy of Spider-Man. And so researching the mass of the actor who portrayed Spider-Man, his mass was around 72 kilograms. And so the challenge today will be to determine the speed. So what we've done is taken two frames from the previous clip I just showed you. These two frames are 13 frames apart. The video is recorded at 24 frames per second. Dividing 13 by 24, the time gap between the first picture here and the second picture is 0.5417 seconds. So we're going to try to determine that distance, because it seems that Spider-Man in this particular picture is standing right around there if we compare the two pictures side by side. And so we measure that distance with the ruler and we get 3.7 centimeters. But now we need some sort of scale. So we're going to use the height of the actor who portrayed Spider-Man as a scale. That white arrow we just drew is 1.7 centimeters long. But researching the actor's height, his height is actually 1.73 meters. And so doing some math, we can determine that the distance is 3.77 meters. Recalling that speed, when it's moving at a constant velocity or constant speed, is distance over time. And we end up getting 6.96 meters per second. And so substituting our quantities, mass of 72 kilograms and our speed of 6.96 meters per second, Spider-Man's kinetic energy is 1,744 joules. Writing this to two significant digits, because we only know the mass to two significant digits, and probably we only know the speed as well to two significant digits, we end up getting around 1,700 joules. As a side note, comparing Spider-Man's speed to that of a sprinter can achieve a speed as high as 12 meters per second. Hope you enjoyed the video. Have a great day.